Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into the Raymond James Bank's online banking service. So this online banking service basically helps you to approve different functions from your mobile device itself. It helps you to check your account balances, view your payments and transaction details, to load your card details and different other things. So if you want to be associated with all of these facilities, this is what you need to do in order to log into the account. So for this, the first step is to be able to download the Raymond James mobile banking app on your device. Make sure that you've done that and then open up the app. As you open up the app, wait for a certain while until the processing is complete, and then you land on an interface where you will be able to type in your credentials in order to log into your account. So here it says for account login, you'll have to enter your username in this section and then your password in this section. Also tick mark the remember username and use touch ID so that you don't have to enter your username over and over again every single time that you try to log in. Also tick mark use touch ID so that what you can do is you can simply use your touch ID instead of typing up the password every single time. After doing this, tap on the login button and you will get logged into your account. So this is basically how it works. It takes you only about a few minutes to complete all of the process, and I hope that by watching this video you've gained an idea about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of the future tutorial videos that are uploaded on How to Geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.